tabs. One is the GPR logic. This is intended to illustrate the process the model goes through for rolling units from current in place to a renovation vacancy to a post-renovation rent. And that is really visible up here in the graph. So I put this graph together that graphs everything in this table. So if you want to see the actual data, you can follow it here in the table. I have this button for hide unused rows. If you do that, it just collapses all the blank rows so you can see a little bit of a tighter view. These are all my renovations. These are my existing units in place. And then this is the aggregation for that to get to gross potential rent. What I want to show you is the graph. So the dark green color, these are those units that are not renovated. The light green color are our renovated units, and then the reddish color is our renovation vacancy. So as you can see, we have 4 months here where we're not renovating any units, and this is in line with our renovation start. So we're going to start on month 5. So the model in month 5, it's going to take the first set of units and move them into a renovation vacancy, which is this reddish area here. And in month 2, month 6, it's taking additional units. And you can see it takes 2 months, and this is a hard-coded value. It's taking 2 months to renovate a unit, and then our first set of units are rolling back onto the rent roll here at the post-renovation rent. And so this process takes place, and you can see our non-renovated units are declining. Our renovated units are becoming a bigger portion of our gross potential rent. And then eventually our renovation vacancy goes to 0 at the end of our renovation period. And what I've done is I've graphed a baseline. So if we did no renovations and we escalated rent, this is what it would look like, this dashed line. But by renovating units, we're able to increase the gross potential rent up to this higher level. So that's the logic that the model uses for you to see.